Hello, this is my 1899 Singer sewing machine. It's a treadle and it was sewing, but I couldn't keep the tension set on it, so I checked out the tension discs, and as you can see, it was a mess. And the little wire that held the thread, the top thread, was broken. And yeah, I didn't know what I was doing. I ordered some parts, and as you can see, I put the tension assembly back together, and it cleaned up what I could use, the parts that I could use. When I started winding the bobbin, the belt was rubbing against the cabinet, and where the belt connected, there's a little wire, and it was clicking against the cabinet. So after adjusting that, it was time to adjust the tension. I just restored the sewing machine, and this will be the first time out. Stitches will probably be too tight or too loose.